I'm Brendan Harkin, Director of Cross Media Lab. Cross Media Lab is an international digital media think tank and creative workshop that we run all around the world. It's been going for 7 years. We started at the Sydney Opera House in 2003 as part of the Sydney Film Festival. We've run Cross Media Labs in Singapore, Malaysia, China, India, London, Amsterdam, Los Angeles. We have a theme for each Cross Media Lab, as long as it's somehow digital. So games, mobile, animation, film and film extensions. And then we select project teams that are working in that space, trying to get their idea to market. And when we select a number of international mentors who can help them with their idea. The real deal of Cross Media Lab is the 2 days that follow that, closed door, selected projects only, and then the relationships are reversed. And those people who are effectively keynote speakers on the first day then become mentors. The 2 days of Cross Media Lab is really a set of rolling one-on-one meetings between the project team and the mentor that they've selected to speak with. And what they're talking about is the project that company or that group of people are trying to get to market. So they spend this intense 2 days talking about what they're working on. It's their livelihood, it's their job, it's their business. So naturally they're completely absorbed in it, speaking to people who they chose to speak with.
What I love about Cross Media Lab is that it's not just about cross-platform, but it's about cross-cultures. So with the emergent markets of India, China, the Middle East, which are the youth markets, the numbers markets, the growth markets, and increasingly where the financial resources are, what kinds of content, what kinds of stories can we as Australians create in co-production, in collaboration with India, with China, with the Middle East, for our mobile phones, for our movie theatres, for online. So I find that really exciting.
Welcome to the Cross Media Lab Perth briefing session. My name is Ian Booth. I'm the Chief Executive of Screen West, the West Australian Government Screen Development Agency. And I'd like to,
We're here to launch Cross Media Lab Perth, which will happen in April next year, which is really exciting. It's about placing Perth as a place of creative exchange, not just the exchange of minerals, and to put a regional spotlight on Perth and the creative industries, but also the kinds of new industries that can be developed between creative industries and more traditional industries. So, for example, medical research, imaging, visualisation, and to see what kinds of projects can come out of those.
My name's Ian Abercrombie. I've fallen in love with Cross Media Lab. I was lucky enough through Screen West to get a small grant to go to the Suzhou China animation market experience, and to be honest, without getting too carried away, it changed my life.
I've got a couple of projects in mind. One which is a touring exhibition for the centenary of the RSL, which looks like it would be a fantastic little project for this. The other one is a game project, which my business partner and I have been mulling over since, probably for the last 30 years. And this just seems like a fantastic opportunity.
I've got to be honest, before I went in there, I was filled with angst, because I thought, who am I to be here with these people and these other teams that are really powering on? I'm out of my league here. But within an instant, all those issues of specific business and my idea and that whole ego that maybe is involved with it became instantly irrelevant.
Unless these people get together, this new freedom area that is the net is going to be, eaten by people wanting to, in the first place, to get the money, like only thinking about the outcome. So it's a good thing we get together, and it can only be done in a way, in a generous way. And as Brendan was saying it before, like the really successful people are very open and very generous with their time, and they really understand all the issues that their work is touching.
Ultimately, we're talking about technology, we're talking about project ideas, but ultimately what we're actually talking about is people trying to do something.